Discuss article number 26. What is article number 26? Freedom to manage religious affairs. So, freedom to manage religious affairs. Freedom to manage religious affairs. What is freedom to manage religious affairs? Again same. This article starts with the restrictions, restrictive clause. Subject to public order, subject to public order, morality, health. Subject to public order, morality and health. Every religious denomination or any section thereof shall have the right to A, B, C, D. Shall have the right. A. What is A? What is B? What is C? What is D? What is A? 26 clause A. To establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes. तो क्या दिया उन्हें? Establish and maintain for religious and charitable purposes. So establish करना है आपको. You can establish, you can maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes. This is your first right under article number 26 clause A. Now 26 clause B, to manage its own affairs in the matter of religion. Manage own affairs in the matters of religion. तो पहला क्या है? 26 क्लॉज ए से क्या आ रहा आपको? राइट, एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं, मेंटेन कर सकते हैं फॉर चैरिटेबल एंड religious purposes. B, manage all affairs in the matters of religion. Option C, to own and acquire movable and immovable property. Own कर सकते हैं आप, acquire कर सकते हैं क्या? Movable and immovable property and immovable properties. Last, to administer such property in accordance with law. तो क्या है? एडमिनिस्टर करना है. कैसा? Administer such properties as in accordance with law. In accordance with law. So this was your article number 26. Subject to public order, morality and health. Every religious denomination shall have the right to A, B, C, D, which we have explained. So let us go for article number 27. What does article number 27 say? Please read. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. So क्या है? Freedom, payment of taxes for promotion any or particular religion. So what does it say? No person. What does it say? No person. कोई भी, किसी को भी कोई भी इंसान को, no person shall be compelled to pay any taxes. No person माने किसी को भी आप फोर्स नहीं कर सकते कोई टैक्स भरने के लिए. To pay any taxes the proceeds of which are specifically appropriated in payment of expenses for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion or religious denomination. So what does article number 27 says? No person shall be compelled. No person shall be compelled for the payment of any taxes whose proceeds, जो पैसे भरे वाले हो क्या इस्तेमाल करते, who proceeds of which are specifically appropriated, appropriate माने जमा करना, appropriated in payment of expenses, appropriated in payment of expenses. किसके लिए? Expenses for the promotion or maintenance of किसका?
Any particular religion
or any particular
religion
or
religious denomination
or religious denomination माने किसी को भी आप फोर्स नहीं कर सकते कोई टैक्स भरने के लिए, जो पैसा जो टैक्स से आता वो प्रमोशन और मेंटेनेंस ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन और रिलीजियस डिनोमिनेशन. समझ आ गया? दिस वाज योर आर्टिकल नंबर 27.